With a new basketball release that draws inspiration from one of the company's most peculiar mascots, Nike is continuing to explore the storytelling aspect of its performance portfolio. A deeper look at a colorway that honors an overlooked aspect of Nike's basketball heritage can be seen in recently released photos of the Swoosh x Nike GT Future, Swooshman. The idea originated in the 1990s when Nike developed Swooshman, an enormous mascot. During the company's basketball tours, the persona traveled to stadium events and brand displays while donning a futuristic helmet and covered in Nike insignia to stimulate spectators. Before contemporary athlete tours and social media marketing took hold, these occasions functioned as significant promotional opportunities. The original Swooshman outfit was one of the brand's most ostentatious advertising items at the time, reportedly costing about $125,000. Decades later, Nike is reviving that persona with a limited edition GT Future. The outsole and lower part of the sculpted upper feature a striking gradient color scheme that begins with icy blue according to official photos. The hue progressively changes to gray as it ascends the shoe, then ends in pure white around the ankle collar. The medial toe and lateral heel include red swooshes, which allude to the large logos that characterize the original Swooshman outfit. A unique helmet graphic that is positioned on the tongue and insoles to further emphasize the link to the old mascot is another storytelling element.